Today I will share the detailed method of Yunjiang's Sui phone bag. The yarn used is from Xiao Montuans. 2 mm fine comfortable hollow cotton. A 3.5 crochet hook. First, wind the thread to make a slip knot. Start with 25 chain stitches. Turn 2 stitches. Hook 20 for short needles. For short needle hooks are good. Then turn to the remaining half of the needle. Hook 20 for short needles. Hook well and pull the first stitch. A total of 48 short stitches. Start a chain stitch in the second and third rounds. Each circle is an unabated hook, 48 short needles. Hook it yourself. Three turns of hook and connected to the first stitch. A slip stitch. Hook a short needle at the first stitch. A slip stitch. Then empty 3 stitches without hook. To the next stitch. Start hook pattern. 3 incomplete medium length stitches. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay, pass the loop. There are 2 left. Pass through again. This is a jujube-shaped stitch. 2 braids needle with needle mesh and then hook. Okay, these are 2. Hook another one with the same needle. It's a needle. We have to hook it 3 times. Okay, these are 3 jujube-shaped stitches. Hook a braided needle. 3 stitches without hook. Hook a short needle to the next needle. One braided stitch. Empty 3 needles, do not hook. Then come to the next stitch. Hook this trick. The method is the same. Three incomplete long stitches. with 2 pointed braided stitches spaced apart. Okay, here are 3 styling pin hooks, okay? This is the second pattern formed. Then a braided stitch. Buckle 3 pins without hook. A short stitch. 1 braided stitch. Okay, just follow this method. Repeat to hook this circle. Okay, the 4th lap, after this pattern is hooked, the total is 3 on this side. Okay, this side also has 3 of these patterns. Then connect the first stitch. And make 3 standing stitches as a long stitch. Hook another long needle in the same order. This is equivalent to 2 long stitches. 2 treble crochet stitches. Then come to in the middle of the date-shaped needle. Hook a short stitch. 2 double crochets. Short needle hook 3 long needles. Two treble crochet stitches. Jujube-shaped needle. And a short stitch in the middle. A short stitch. 2 chain stitches. Then 3 long stitches on the short stitches. Just hook the back one in this way. Okay, 5th loop hook. At the end, we started with 2 long stitches. Then hook a long needle here. On the 3rd stitch of the 3 chairlift stitch, do a slip stitch. And 2 standing double crochets. Hook inside the lead needle. 2 incomplete medium length stitches. Together with the 2 standing stitches, which is equivalent to 3 incomplete medium long stitches. Then pass the loop. And then pass through 2 loops. 2 double crochets. 3 incomplete medium long stitches. Fortunately, in the 1st stitch, we only hooked a sets. And a slip stitch. Then on the short stitches, hook short needle. 1 braided stitch. 3 long stitches. The middle needle starts to hook this pattern. The method is the same. Okay, 3 date-shaped stitches. Hook a braided needle. Okay, here hook short needle. One slip stitch, and then in the middle of the 3 long stitches. The hook pattern is this jujube needle pattern. Okay, just hook the back one in this way. Okay, when the loop hooks to the end. We started with 2 groups of jujube-shaped stitches. Then hook another set here. Then short stitches, and then connect. Then draw it in. A slip stitch. The 7th round. A short stitch. Two chain stitches. Short stitches correspond to the stitches. 3 long stitches. Two chain stitches. Then enter the needle in the middle of the date stitch. Hook a short needle. Two double crochets. Short needle hook 3 long needles. Okay, just hook the back one in this way. Okay, lap 7, okay? And connect the first stitch. Now we repeat the method from the 4th to 7th rounds. Hook to the right height. There are 16 lines hooked here. Then connect the first stitch. 1 braided stitch. Cut the thread and hide it. Okay, tie the bag strap. Our phone bag is done.